Sleep time is priceless. Once lost, you can never get it back. Is your partner up all night, every night praying for silence? Are you worried her dreams may become a reality and she really will grab that pan? Are your neighbors climbing the walls every night? Even the wildlife can't cope any longer with the commotion. Snoring disturbs those around you, but it is harming you the most. Why do you snore? During deep sleep, your palate and tongue muscles loosen, causing a partial blockage of the breathing canal, which leads to the awful snoring, which is disturbing you and those around you. Did you know? Interrupted sleep can cause irritability and difficulty concentrating, as well as chronic fatigue, which in the long run can lead to heartburn, depression, and in certain cases, even heart attacks. Why suffer? Snore Saver comfortably supports your jaw during sleep, keeping the airway open, and thus helps prevent snoring. Why continue to suffer with fatigue? Allow yourself and those around you a full night's sleep. Snore Saver is a totally simple, safe, non-invasive solution, highly recommended by sleep specialists. Non-invasive device, unisex design, one size fits all, easy fit and removal. Comfortable, doesn't disturb sleep. Improve your zest for life today. You are one click away from a new and improved you. Reclaim your sparkle. Reclaim your Snore Saver today.